Good morning. Hi, everybody. I can't remember if I told you or not that I was going to be out today. I'm taking Connor to the doctor. But anyhow, what I need you to do today is you're going to go over to the teacher's lounge across the hall, and you're going to choose whatever color big roll of paper that you would like. Once you do that, you, with either your table group or just a group of three different groups out of all of you can work on this together. I don't have to have 15 different ones. You're going to create a life-size artery and vein diagram. So I'm giving you complete reign on this artistically how you want to do it. If you want to do like the right side of it is arteries, the left side is the veins, or draw all of them together all over the body. However you want to do it is up to you. I just want at least 3 different groups, so at least 3 different diagrams of the full body arteries and veins. Again, go across the hall to the teacher's lounge and get paper, crayons, markers, all that stuff is at the back of the room. And again, be as artistic as you want to. You don't even have to use the colors blue and red. If you want to use purple and yellow or whatever, depending on what color paper you choose. There are Sharpies in the top drawer of my desk on the right-hand side, if you'd like to use those as well. Just make sure you put them back. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you next week.